Hey guys, so I got some new information for you. This just came out yesterday. There's a big recall that's affecting some Acura TLXs and the MDX. And it addresses a problem that a lot of people I've seen talked about, some engine issues that are notorious on the V6 Acuras. So let me go ahead and share what that's about. So Acura just announced the safety recall, and it affects the 2016 to 2020 MDX, every trim level except hybrid, and then the 2015 to 2020 TLX, only the V6s. So a lot of people were saying the last gen TLX, the V6 version, had a lot of engine issues with the rod bearings. Well, Acura has just announced that they are aware of the issue and are going to fix it. So, like I said, this just came out, so a lot of information will be coming up shortly. But this is good news if you've had engine problems and you've had it fixed. You'll get reimbursed for that. That's the first thing. Then if you're experiencing engine issues, this could solve your problem too. So, like I said, this just came out. Some good information here. And then you'll know if you need to get your car fixed and if this is what it entails. So what they're saying is, and this is big because they're announcing a stop sell as well. So if they have these models on their lot that they're selling, they can't sell them until this is fixed. That's how big of an issue this actually is. So I'll go ahead and I'll put the actual service bulletin here on the screen so you could see it. But I'll kind of give you just a rundown of what it states. So it's saying that those model of cars may have engines containing internal damage at the connecting rod bearings, possibly leading to engine failure. So that's the breakdown. And then here's the reason. It says during engine manufacturing, some crankshafts may have been built with improper connecting rod journal dimensions, resulting in increased friction between the journals and their bearings. The increased friction could lead to accelerated engine deterioration and possible failure due to the lack of lubrication. So what they're saying is the way they manufacture the engine, the tolerances are too tight. So it causes these things to wear out, the rod bearings. And I've heard a lot of people, it's probably when I was looking at it, getting an Acura, a lot of people said, stay away from the V6 first gen TLX. They said they're notorious for the rod bearing failure. So it looks like this is going to cover a ton of vehicles, just what I'm reading here and reading through all your guys' messages about the issues that you've been having or have heard of. So that could be great news, especially, like I said, if you've paid to fix this, you can get reimbursed for it since there's a problem. So that's good. You might have money coming your way. Or if you're having issues right now with your V6, MDX, or TLX, it could be solved. So, now, like I said, this just came out yesterday. So the parts aren't available. What it's saying right here is, it's saying the parts necessary to complete this recall are not available yet. And it says once part repair kits are available, the registered owner of the vehicle will receive a notice to bring the vehicle in to have it inspected and then to have the components replaced. So like I said, this just came out. So nothing's being done at this second. They're waiting for all the parts. What they'll do, since they know it's going to cover a lot of vehicles, they have to produce a ton of whatever parts they're going to replace, a ton extra of those because they're going to go on a run when they fix all these cars. So if you have one of these cars, even if you don't have issues with it, be prepared to either get a letter or I'll try to keep you guys updated if I hear anything. But if you have any questions, you can call American Honda and the numbers on the bottom here that you can reach them and ask them if yours is affected. Like I said, I'd give it maybe a month since this just rolled out yesterday. But that's some good news. I mean, bad news and good news. It's not good to have a car that has a recall, but Like I said, so many people have had issues I've been reading, so this could be a great thing to help you guys fix your vehicle. So again, I just wanted to share this with you. It just came out. Hopefully it helps you guys out. And I'm curious too, leave me a comment in the section below and let me know if you know of anybody or if your car, one of these that's covered here, is having issues or had issues with this too. So like I said, I didn't know it was that big of a problem, but I've been reading for years now of all the problems with Acura V6 engines with this, the older ones with this problem. So again, hopefully this can be of some use to you. Again, let me know in the comment section. I'm really curious to know how many people know about this. Again, I appreciate all you guys. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And again, I'll keep you guys posted when I'm knowing more information that's connected to this recall as well when it comes available. So until next time, guys, have a good one.